Is smart film more affordable than smart glass?
Yes, smart film is often the more budget-friendly choice, generally costing between $25 to $45 per square foot. Since it can be retrofitted onto existing glass, it's perfect for budget-conscious projects, smaller application, or upgrades on existing windows. Imagine outfitting this glass door with two side panels. With a smart film, this setup would cost around $2,000, while with a smart glass version, it would be approximately $5,900. However, when the new glass is already needed, smart glass can actually be the more cost-effective solution. Installed just like a regular glass, privacy glass doesn't incur extra installation costs. Meanwhile, ordering new glass and applying smart film would require installation to both, potentially making smart film pricier in this scenario. Both options offer great flexibility and value, depending on your needs. If you have any further inquiries, don't hesitate to reach out. We're here to help.
Smart Glass Country. Make ordinary glass extraordinary.